is currently 12 p.m. I woke up at 9 a.m. because I had to go to the dentist at 9:30 and I was definitely late. Today is Monday. I'm kind of like Daffy Duck. I don't like my weekends to cut into my week, so I did not start this on a Sunday because that is my weekend. I won't let the week cut into that. Today's goal is to just kind of clean my room and then take notes for work. I don't really have to take notes for work, but I want to because I just want to know all our products. Here's Momo. He's so cute. You're so cute. He's just a little baby. You're just a little baby. Right? Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, my room is kind of bad. It's not like bad for a moderate to severely mentally ill person, but it is just a bunch of stuff laying around everywhere that needs to be put up. But I can knock this out pretty easily. So I'm just gonna eat because I just got food, and then I'll film myself cleaning and taking notes. All right, so I have a bag and I'm just gonna throw trash into it. I was watching a video yesterday on how like they make bags for movies because bags are too noisy, and I would really love that right now, but I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna put my clothes into a pile. Some clothes are for videos that I need to make, like promote the clothes. So what I'm gonna do is I need to take the clothes out of the bag and take all the tags off and just put it in a pile for one day when I'm gonna make the video. I personally have a pile of boxes in my room over here, so I'm just gonna throw the box over here. No one takes out boxes in this house, so they just kind of pile up, but I'm hoping to get them out of my room soon because they take up a lot of space and they look really tacky. Now this is a mat that Momo loves. I don't know why he loves it, but I'm gonna put this in front of my door, and then I'm going to organize all the rest of this stuff. So right here I have my hat and glove box. So I'm just going to put my hats in, and then my one glove. And then I'm going to work on this side table now. So this side table is actually not as bad as it looks. I'm depressed, so there are chips on my bed. And my bed's not made. I have to make it. I'm gonna keep this here because late night snacking. I usually, when I take my rubber bands off, I don't have like a trash can next to me, so I just put them on my side table. I'm gonna put this cap on my vape juice. I'm gonna put this in my drawer. I'm gonna put this right here because it goes to this slide up here. And then I got a bunch of food earlier. I'm just gonna stack that because I am going to eat it and throw away this trash. Alright, so I need to be able to use my dirty laundry basket. So that means I have to put my clothes up so that I can use it. So right now, that's what I'm going to do. I probably won't film all of this because there's no reason you need to see me put every single piece of clothing up. But yeah, that's my task for right now. All right, so I've gotten all that stuff up. Now I just need to pick up the miscellaneous stuff and kind of just spread cat toys around my floor because I like to do that for my cat. And then I need to clean up this table, which should be pretty easy. So right now I just have to organize my brushes, which is super easy, and then organize all my makeup. I try to keep things as simple as possible, being someone who's like very mentally ill, because things get really overwhelming if I don't. So see, I never take my stuff out of this so that I don't have to organize it more. And I like to just put this under the table and then I can slide it out when I need it. Now I'm just going to put up all my tattoo stuff. Alright, so now my table is all organized. Now I just have my notebook sitting on my table. I'm gonna take notes in a little bit, but before that, I'm probably just going to chill around and like eat. That's what I do most of the time, like every day. That's why I don't make vlogs like this, because like usually I don't have shit to do, but I've had more to do lately. So I'm done eating and chilling, and I've set up my iPad and my notebook. So now I'm just gonna take notes. Right now I'm working on lubricants, specifically silk/hybrid lubricants. Now, as I mentioned, I don't need to take these notes. I'm just like, I really see myself working this job. So I really want to like be a good worker. I don't know. I really love my job for some reason. But yeah, so far I have a good amount of notes. I've written a lot. My handwriting kind of sucks though. These pictures are from our employee handbook. At first, I was just writing down things like that they were telling me, but then they had me go through the employee notebook and I just took a bunch of pictures of everything. It's a really big notebook, so I have a lot to write, but mostly I just need to memorize our closing and opening procedures and like shipping and stuff, but I've got that down, and most of the customers do all the work, so I don't like have to know everything, but I would like to know everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and do this. I love how I was like, ooh, yes, notes. That's what I'm about to do. I wrote down one sentence and then I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna lay and chill in bed. Because honestly, I don't fucking care about lubricants. I don't know. Whenever someone comes in for a lubricant, I'm like, yeah, I get something water-based, and I would recommend _WICKED. That's the only thing I ever recommend to anyone, and no one's ever had any questions. So like, fuck lubes. I might just I only have one thing left of lubes. That's why I'm like, I should write it down. But I think I'm just gonna delete that page and then start working on the next thing, like toys or like smoke shop stuff, because I don't know a lot about smoke shop stuff. Honestly, I got sidetracked and I started drawing. I'm like making vent art right now, kind of. I don't know. But I think I am actually going to get started back onto my notes, and I'll try to record that. It's only 3 p.m. and I don't know what to do anymore. Like, I kind of want to go to Sally's and get some bleach for my eyebrows, but I probably shouldn't because of the bumps. So I don't really know what to do. I know I'm just going to chill for the rest of the day because today's my off day and then I have work tomorrow. I forgot, but I actually have some commissions to do, so I'm back on my iPad. I use Art Rage personally because I have an iPad 4. So this is my chest tattoo. I was like redesigning it again. I'll show you better, but yeah, it came out great. I love my chest tattoos. I got those yesterday. I'm just going to create a new painting and then I'm gonna get started. I have a cover-up to design and then a jellyfish tattoo to design. So I'm just gonna be doing that for the foreseeable future. It's 4 now. I just got done with my little drawing. She loves it. I might do the tattoo tonight. I might not. I don't know. I just want to be in bed by 11 and ready for work tomorrow. Honestly, for the past few hours, it's like 6 p.m. now, and honestly, I have just been drawing, making TikToks, taking care of my tattoos. I clean them up. Most people use antibacterial, so I just made a mixture of green soap since I have some green soap, and then I put Aquaphor on it. I'm usually a dry healer, but I was like, I guess I'll put some Aquaphor on. But from here on out, I'm probably just gonna dry heal it until it starts getting scratchy. Momo's cat hair has gotten all over my tattoos because he's just, oh, he sheds. I brush him, but he sheds. I'm gonna brush him now, actually. See, he's happy right now, so I can probably do a little 1, 2. See, he's enjoying it. I'm honestly probably gonna go back to note-taking, and maybe I'll just share some thoughts while I take those notes. So I'm actually doing really well at work. Like, I'm going through training right now, and I've honestly completed all of my training basically, because I'm on tomorrow's gonna be day 5, but I already went over everything except like processing orders because I have to do that when a shipment actually gets in. But I love doing that with pens, but I always fucking drop them. Goddamn. Right now, I'm taking notes on warming oils. People like giving massages for some reason, but I don't see a lot of customers buying massage oils. Usually they come in for some Viagra or, I don't know. It's just a bunch of things, but it's mostly just pills. We also sell whippets, which I find crazy. I didn't know. Like, some girl worked there just to get a discount to buy whippets, and honestly, like, go queen, but no, fuck whippets. A lot of people keep asking me how I got a job at a sex store, and I literally just applied. Like, I went in and I was like an hour late to my interview because I swore it was at 6:30, but it was actually at 5:30. So I go in and I'm like, I'm so sorry, I'm late, just shaking. And he was just like, okay, what's your availability? When did you graduate high school, blah, 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 we're gonna do a background check. And I was like, yeah, okay, I don't care, I have nothing to background check on. And yeah, that was my whole interview. And then he was like, all right, we'll get you started really quick. And then I started like 2 days after that. And it's been a really easygoing job. I'm getting paid $13 an hour, which at my last job I was only getting 10. So I'm very happy with the pay. And I'm working full time. Like, this week I worked 27 hours. And it's kind of weird for me today that I'm not at work. My first day of work was like terrible because I was not used to standing. Like, you know when you start a new job, you get that fucking backache. Well, I got that, and like after I went home, I bought a back brace, but now my back is good, so. Honestly, I've been going through autism testing, and I don't know what the outcome is gonna be. Like, I know I talked to you guys about that, how I'm going, like, I wanna get diagnosed, or like, just see if I have it, and that has been going crazy. I'm not really allowed to talk about the testing just in case anyone else gets tested, but I really do feel like there might be something there, but I don't know because I have one last test to take and I haven't taken that yet. But honestly, I feel like this job, besides the lights, is perfect. What is that goddamn sound? I feel like it's perfect for someone who's autistic because you can be super straightforward with people. Something about it is just like so perfect. Also, we get to vape on the floor, so I just walk around. But yeah, I feel like this is the perfect job for me. That's why I'm like putting my all into it right now. I just realized that's the storm warning siren. Methinks for the rest of the evening, I'm just gonna take notes. I was gonna go out and do that tattoo, but since there's a storm warning, I'm gonna chill on that. I'm gonna clean up my tattoos again. You guys can watch me do that. I just have a green soap mixture here. It keeps leaking plasma, and I don't like the feeling, So I'm just cleaning it with a paper towel. Trying not to get my white shirt all fucked up. So it kind of hurts. So I just got it done yesterday night. It took 8 hours. Honestly, these should have taken like 4 to 6 hours, but the artist was a perfectionist and they did do a really good job. So I'm not mad at it since it was my off day anyways. I'm just like, fuck, because I got there at 1 and then the whole day just went by like that. Alright, so there they are cleaned. I'm not going to put more Aquaphor on because it's just going to leak more plasma. I'm just going to wait until it's all dried out. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here because it's pretty long already. It's like, what, 15 minutes now? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I did want to do a weekly vlog, but this is super long. So if you enjoy like sort of 15-minute videos for vlogs, then I might start doing more daily vlogs.